Okay, I have animation like this and more realistic. Now I will add function for mouse. If mouse click and I add k dot add event listener here, and opening and closing, and I add one parameter about mouse activity and two parameter about function. One, I need mouse activity and double quotes, opening and closing, and I type mouse down. I create mouse activity mouse down and comma function and opening closing, and E, I type E here, and I add opening closing for function. Okay, I have this this function, and now I need variable. I need variable to know position, of mouse. I need variable, and maybe I type px position x. I add variable px position on x and equal e dot page x in capital and main minus x. Okay, now I check on console. I type console.log, opening and closing and double quote. I type px and I save. I reload my page. I open the JavaScript console and I reload. Okay, I have an error, and I think this error because my variable can undefine my variable. Okay, I have undefined variable. I change to b. Okay, and I save. I reload. Okay, now I have no error here. I open console and I try to manage my page. If I click, now I have a number of position mouse, and I have position negative about my mouse in left from ball. Okay, because I have ball and a page x minus x itu that's there are x that ball, a ball, x from ball. Okay, now I have a position, and now I change variable x to 0. Okay, I change to 0 x and y 0, and now if I reload again, I have a right position mouse. I have on positive, because my ball in zero position of X. Okay, I have positive position. Now I add variable again, and maybe p y and equal e dot page y and minus by y. Okay, like this. And now I add check. I check on console log, and I add plus double quotes, and I add py. Okay, like this. And now I save and I reload. If I click, now I have two position, one position X and two position Y. Okay, like this. And now I have negative minus in position Y. Now I just non-activated function, for function. I add comment in for function and closing comment. And if I save and I reload, now I have position in positive. Okay, like this. I have 50. Now I have all position in X and Y in positive value. And this value, I need this value to add reaction to the ball. And maybe I activated again my function. I delete my comment on my function, for function, and I non-activated console, and I add a value of Vx and Vy. I need change here, and I add Vx plus equal, and I think I need this variable plus equal px and multiply by, maybe I need new variable. And I create one variable again in above, and I add comma and make variable maybe ps and equal maybe 0, 0.1 for no 0.1, and here I add ps closing, and now I type Vy plus equal py multiplied by ps. Okay, now I have new in Vy and Vx, and if I save and I reload my page, I have my ball with reaction to mouse click. If I click the mouse and I change ps maybe 0.03, now I have smooth slow reaction from the mouse. And in this animation, I have the ball out from the canvas. In next video, I will add function to add the ball in the canvas, and I add maybe limit in left, top, and right. I need this function to make the ball in a canvas. Okay, next video.